You now have your visual from the word problem drawn, and it should look like this. Okay, you have the wall, and it is 12 7/8 feet wide, and it is 8 feet high. It has two windows the same size, 3.5 feet by 4.5 feet, represented by these shaded boxes. The problem is saying that we want to find the area of the wall that can be painted. So what does that mean? Are we going to paint the entire wall, including the windows? No, very good, we're not. So if we just want to find the area of the wall itself without the windows, what do we need to do? Yes, we need to find the area of the wall and then find the area of the windows and remove the area of the windows out from the wall so that we are left with only the wall to be painted, the wall itself. Awesome. How are we going to attack this problem? How are we going to calculate for area? Well, we have multiple ways we could actually do this. We could simply use math and calculate using just the numbers and fractions, and then figuring out with distributive property. Or we can do a method we've done in the past that's a more visual, which is area model. Let's look at area model. Let's first look at the area of the wall. So on your paper, follow along with me. We're going to do this together. Area of the wall. Draw your area model. Remember, area is, you already answered this earlier, of a rectangle is length times width, right? The length is 12 7/8. So we have to represent it on our area model as the whole number and the fraction, 12 7/8. Okay. And then the height of our wall is 8. If it were 8.5, we would represent it as the whole number and then separate the fraction piece so that we could multiply both of them through. But it's just simply 8, so we represent it like that. So we have our length and we have our width. We've separated the whole number and the fraction to make it easier to multiply. So now we have to multiply our length by our width pieces. What is 8 times 12? 96, good. What is 8 times 7/8? Yes, you could take 8 out from both of these, replace it with 1. Or you could have multiplied through 8 times 7, 56, divided by 8 is 7, and you get the same thing. The answer is 7. So now to find this full area of the wall, we have the area piece here, you must add them. 96 plus 7 is 103. This is our total area for the whole wall itself. What is my label? Area. What is my label? We had feet by feet. So what is my label here? Feet squared. Very good. So now that we calculated the area for the wall, check your work, make sure you have this. We calculated the area of the wall using area model. I want you to do the exact same thing for calculating the area for one window. And we are going to go over that in just a second. So use area model, calculate the area for one window, and we're going to go over it.